Today we're gonna rebuild this piece of shit. Let's go. So today we're gonna rebuild this engine because I could hear the bearings and the crankshaft is probably fucked up also. So let's start. Okay, so as you can already see, it's like a different head than inner head than normal. This is from HT Motor. It's a Dutch company, and they make like high pressure heads. So yeah. Let's keep on. Looks good.
Nice.
We can just it. Let's see if it will split. Yes guys, sometimes I also forget things. This time it was an engine bolt. Okay, so here are the parts we're going to use. Of course, some bearings, water pump revision set, of course more gaskets, a crankshaft, and the real gangsters know what that is, what this is and what this is. So yeah, let's start it. Now we're making the inner ring warm so it expands, so we can put the crankshaft in. Some people prefer to put the bearings on the crankshaft, but I don't, so I will do it like this. Now I'm gonna put sealing on these edges. Now I see it's becoming yellow again, and it's probably above 110 degrees. So I can probably put it on. Okay. So I have a little gap now, but I will fix that with bolts. Okay, the crankshaft is it's turning, but it's not turning very well, so we're gonna put one nut hex on this one so we don't fuck up the thread, and then we're gonna tick a little. It's already going better. Then we put this screw on the other side. I put a little bit of sealant, how you want to call it, on the edge. So yeah. So it went in very fucking easily. To make it align with the crankcase, I use this little thing. So I have 3 different sizes of gaskets, 0.8, 0.5 around, and 0.7. This point needs to go to the exhaust, so like this, because otherwise the piston rings will get caught in like a exhaust port, and now they're going like between those. And now you need to put those fucking annoying clips in. And now, click, you heard it? Okay, nice. Click on it, make sure the pins are aligning with the piston rings. Okay. Now we're going to measure our squish, so clean our piston again, because we're going to use a little piece of this, a little piece of tape. It's a little too wide, so I'll cut it a little shorter. That looks better. I put the tape on here. Put it like this. Put everything on it. Then we're going to crank the crankshaft, turn it, and what happens is you push in the tin, so now you're over that moment. You see, it did something. You're gonna measure it. And it's 0.7, that's like too much. Okay, let's see what it did. It is around 0.9 as you can see, so that's good. From the 3 gaskets I used the thickest one. And maybe you could already tell that I hate leaking, and sealing this will make it easier to mount, because if you put it like that, the gravity will try to fuck it. Usually I let it run a couple of times and just close it. Okay, everything is good to start, so I'm just gonna try if it starts. I already kicked it without the ignition on, so the gasolina is good to go to the carburetor. Let's see.